Deep within the glowing caves of Crystal Mountain lived a family of glowballs, bouncing orbs of light with vibrant personalities. But Flick, our smallest glowball, struggled to compete in the annual Glowball Games. He couldn't bounce as high, his light wasn't as intense, and the bigger glowballs often bullied him. One day, while Flick practiced hopping between stalactites, a rumbling echoed through the caverns. An enormous shadow loomed, revealing Gloomp, the Gloom King, who threatened to extinguish their light forever. Fear paralyzed the glowballs, except for Flick. He remembered Luna, the wisest glowball elder, sharing stories about ancient power hidden within. Flick embarked on a daring quest, bouncing through treacherous tunnels and solving riddles whispered by luminous crystals. He befriended a grumpy glowworm named Sparky and a clumsy rockhopper named Boulder. Their unique ability, they faced fire ants, navigated glittering ice chasms, and even outsmarted Gloom. Finally, Flick reached the heart of Crystal Mountain, a pulsating pool of pure light. It spoke in whispers, revealing that Flick's small size allowed him to squeeze through hidden crevices. He discovered a network of secret tunnels leading into Gloomp's fortress. Flick and his friends infiltrated the fortress, Flick leading the way. They tricked Gloomp's guards with dazzling light shows, freed captive glowballs, and finally reached Gloomp's throne. There, instead of fighting, Flick bounced gently against the throne, channeling the heart's energy. Gloomp, overwhelmed by the sudden burst of light, shrieked and fled. Crystal Mountain was saved, the glowballs rejoicing in their newfound freedom. Flick, once bullied for his size, became a hero. He taught them that light comes in all sizes and strengths, and that true bravery lies in using your unique talents to overcome challenges. The Glowball Games were forever changed, celebrating not just bouncing prowess, but also resourcefulness, teamwork, and the power of even the smallest glow.